This video is gonna be straight to the point. Why? Because I am that serious. So, I am here to talk about the controversy on the Latent Season 2, which is by Sakshi Jha. Okay, so this is the same lady who said in the stage that I hate men and I hate all the men community etc etc, जिसके ऊपर अभी memes बन रहे हैं. People are actually picking out that particular clip and uploading it to the reels and abusing her. As usual, men do this average behavior. They will abuse a woman anytime they want, just to let out their frustration. So I don't think this is something surprising to me. And everyone is just hating on her. Why? Because she chose to speak the truth. Men are not safe for us anymore. And no one asked her that why do you have this thought of hating men? Like, where where would this come from? Like, what is your trauma? No one wants to hear that. The men will only be there. Why? Because how you can hate us? You are spreading hate. What about you guys are actually women? Every day there is RAPE case. Every freaking day. I think that's something we should discuss more, rather than just defending yourself for no reason. Like, if she is saying that, hi, I hate men, she is not gonna pose a physical threat to any man. To any man. But if a man says that, he is gonna pose a physical threat to a woman. This has been going on for so many ages. And still we are here saying no, 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 or not all men. If not all men, why always man? Why always a man? This is my question. And उसने क्या गलत बोला? Where she went wrong? I don't see any wrongdoing of her. She just stated the fact. Men are RAPE animals, RAPE kids, RAPE old ages, RAPE women. किसको छोड़ा है भाई? So what are we supposed to say? Now we can't even react. Now we can't even process our own emotions. मतलब emotions भी नहीं दिखाना है. You have to just. We will only do अत्याचार on you, but we don't want any reaction. This is shit. I would say this is shit. And yes, I stand with her. Duh. I don't see a man actually calling out his typical shit friends who are just cracking shit jokes like Samir Raina. And these kind of comedians who are just cracking jokes on deaths, women, children, huh? Huh? And they call this as dark joke. What's dark? You? I think that's only the dark thing I can say in the room. भाई, इनके सारे जोक्स यही होते हैं. औरत के आगे पीछे, बच्चों के आगे पीछे, एनिमल के आगे पीछे, यही इनके जोक्स हैं. यही इनके पंच लाइन्स है. सो आई डोंट थिंक वी वांट बी अ जोक टू एनीवन. क्या वो खुद की जाति के बारे में जोक करते हैं? नो, दे डोंट जोक अबाउट देमसेल्व्स. दे डोंट जोक अबाउट देयर मैनहुड्स. आई डोंट सी अ जोक. हाउ एवरी जोक इज रिलेटेड टू अ वुमन? And if you all think that it was just a joke, then whatever Sakshi said, it's also just a joke. Try taking a joke better. Man up, buddies. Why are we having this conversation? मुझे तो समझ में भी नहीं आ रहा है. भाई तुमको भी कुछ बोलना चाहिए साक्षी झा के ऊपर. हाउ कुड शी से such things? Men are doing bizarre things, bizarre things, heinous crimes. That's nothing in front of these crimes. No woman is safe in India. No woman. Na hi online, na hi offline. No one is safe online, no one is safe offline. And I'm pretty sure in this video I can see few comments. I will see, not I can. I will see few comments from men, of course, जो R word बोलेंगे और slut shame. That's it. That's all they got. Either they will give me RAPE threat or they will do the slut shame. Because their topic only revolves around their D's and around their sex सूक्स वाले fantasies. That's it. एंड मुझे तो ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा है हाउ वुमेन आर सेइंग नो 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 आई डोंट स्टैंड विद साक्षी झा, नो शी इज डिफरेंट, आई एम अ प्योर फेमिनिस्ट. क्या बहन, क्या? हैव यू सीन मैन? हैव यू सीन देम? इफ यू डोंट तो मैं बताती हूँ. इफ अ गाय फ्रेंड RAPE समवन, सम अ वुमन और चाइल्ड और एनीथिंग, दूसरा उसका दोस्त जो है ना, द फ्रेंड ऑफ हिज, दे विल नॉट utter a word. They will keep their mouth shut in the name of friendship. If one guy cheats on his wife and he is kind of open about it to his male best friend, that male best friend will say ठीक है कोई नहीं, I will do this too, and what I want you to shut your mouth. So this will be a inner bestie secret. They will do this. They are not gonna say ki hi, your husband is cheating. No. They will maintain that secret till their death. And tum bandiya, you women are just like, I don't understand. And this is the reason men stomp on us. This is the reason men walk all over us. Why? Because we don't have a unity. We need to have a unity. Look at us men. Look at these men. They have the unity to the core. They will unite when it comes to hating a woman. चाहे कोई रिलीजन का हो, चाहे कोई कास्ट का हो, it doesn't matter. They will hate whatever race they are from. ठीक है? The hate is so ingrown in them. So if they have this kind of unity, why can't we have this unity? Only this way we can be equal to them. Only this way. And I don't want women to say कि भाई वो अगर नीचे गिर रहे हैं तो हम क्या गिर. हाँ गिरो, गिरो भाई. What's stopping you? I see women making so many videos on Sakshi, so many videos saying वो इतना नीचे गिर गई है, ये कर गई. What do you think, darling? What do you think? तुम सेल्स वुमन की तरीके कार बेचने की स्कीम को एकदम रैप करके फेमिनिज्म में लड़कों को परोसोगी, सो मेन विल गेट इंस्पायर. नो नो, वी हैव टू बी फेमिनिस्ट. डू यू थिंक दैट? डू यू थिंक सो? They are benefiting from this, damn it. They are benefiting from patriarchy. How they gonna put their opinion front out? जो भी है, like, मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है वो क्यों बोलेंगे. मैं अगर मर्द होती, मुझे अगर पैट्रियार्की से फायदा मिल रहा होता, द सिस्टम इज मेंट फॉर men, built by men, only for men to benefit. So still if men are failing in the system, so they are absolute failure. और अगर सिस्टम मेरे लिए बना होता, मैं इतनी ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होती, इतनी ज़्यादा इंटाइटल्ड होती, तो मेरे अंदर ऑडेसिटी की भरमार हो जाती. बट नहीं है, नहीं है. वाई? बिकॉज मुझे अपने दरवाजे से बाहर निकलने के लिए 100 कैलकुलेशन करने पड़ते हैं. I have to think about the society, I have to think about my parents, I have to think about myself. एंड तुम औरतें जाकर बोल रही हो कि नहीं मैं तो साक्षी झा, तो तुम्हें क्या लगता है दैट गाइज विल लाइक यू, दोज गाइज विल पिक यू? नो, इफ दे गेट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू एफ यू अप, they will do that. They will do that, girl. They will not hold back themselves. They are all waiting for the right opportunity, right time, right place to just strike on. And if you think no no no, this guy is different, this guy, every guy is like an onion. They have 100 of layers. They change layer every now and then. So what are you gonna do then? What are you gonna do? So stop making videos on Sakshi by saying I hate her, I don't like her. It's not gonna help. And if you are that kind of a woman who is in support of patriarchy, who is not a feminist, then why would you voice your opinion out? Because you are not a feminist. Women who fought in the history were not fighting for you. So since you are not a feminist, you should not voice your opinion. You should not do any kind of task which is outside of the kitchen. Such a straightforward, right? Straightforward approach. I know. But यही चीज सत्य है. We are hating men. Why? Because we are having these experience. No woman is having a good experience with a man, let alone a child, let alone an animal, a dog, female cows, female dogs. किसकी बातें करे भाई, किसको छोड़े, किसको पकड़ के बात करे? If you are a woman, you travel in public transport, you will get groped. मैं ये सारे एक्सपीरियंस झेल के आई हूँ. एंड दिस इज नॉट फॉर सिंपथी. और तुम लोग ये तो बोलना ही मत विक्टिम वगैरह. आई लिटरली ब्लॉक, बिकॉज मुझे ब्रेनलेस लोगों से वैसे भी बात नहीं करनी. ठीक है. सो कोई औरत सेफ नहीं है इस देश में. एंड इफ अ वुमन हैज दिस guts to walk on that stage which is filled with misogynistic men, patriarchal men. एंड कौन इसको कॉल आउट कर रहा था? समय रैना, जिसने खुद कुशा कापिला के ऊपर इतने गंदे गंदे भद्दे भद्दे जोक्स मारे हैं. वो जोक्स इंटरनेट पे आज भी अवेलेबल है, किसी को अगर सर्च करना है तो सर्च कर लेना. इतने घटिया जोक्स मारे हैं. और वो इसको सिखा रहा है कि तुम क्या बोलना चाहिए, क्या नहीं बोलना चाहिए. सबसे बड़ी कॉमेडी तो मुझे वही बंदा लगता है भाई. बट एनीवेज, दिस वाज माय टेक, दिस वाज माय वीडियो, दिस वाज माय POV on this current situation. And also we have a lot more things to discuss. Current situation going around in the nation, we can discuss on that rather than वो बंदी ने क्या बोला, वो बंदे ने. बंदे तो कितना गंदा गंदा बोलते हैं. Men literally run podcast of hating women. Agitate. Cute, right? There are many men like that all around the world, especially in India. So, are these men questioning them? Ki why you are making such video? Why you are creating this hate? No, they enjoy that. So हम क्यों यहाँ पे मतलब मॉरल पुलिसिंग कर रहे हैं खुद को कि नहीं नहीं नहीं, वी शुडंट बी लाइक दैट, वी शुडंट बी लाइक दैट. आई एम अ डिफरेंट वुमन. क्या उखाड़ लिया बहन डिफरेंट होकर? अगर मर्दों को चांस मिल जाए, अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल जाए, तो तुमको भी खा जाएंगे. कोई इनमें कोई कुछ एम्पैथी नहीं है भाई, कुछ एम्पैथी नहीं है. इफ यू आर थिंकिंग टू एम्पैथाइज विद देम, यू आर You are making a wrong decision, my girl. Always think about yourself. Always keep yourself टॉप पर. सेल्फ प्रायोरिटाइज तो एकदम ऊपर. इन पे कोई भरोसा मत करो. इफ यू थिंक यू गोना एक्ट लाइक दिस एंड यू विल गेट द गाय हु यू लाइक, दैट्स अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी. एंड दैट गाय माइट चीट ऑन यू और माइट डू अ डबल डेट. ये तो हिस्ट्री है इनकी. सो आप इतना खुद को गिरा रही हैं, यूनिटी हटा रही हैं, किसके लिए? इनके लिए. मतलब I genuinely want to know. And might be, like, I think this might be one of the reason why men are walking all over us. Because they have this unity and women are simply tearing each other down. I don't see men doing that to their fellas. Anyway, bye girlies.